Hello guys, review Realme 13, this version. 8GB RAM memory and 12GB RAM memory and 256GB storage. Okay, dark purple color. Open box and look complectation. In complectation we have protected back cover, Type-C cable. Okay. Adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Very good complectation. Okay. Double camera on the back side LED. On the front side 6.7-inch display, power button and warm buttons. On this side without controls. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device. Open settings. Look Android version. We have Realme UI 5.0, Android 14, MediaTek Dimensity 6300, 5000 mAh battery. Okay, look results, Geekbench 6 results, single core score, multi-core score, and GPU test results. Antutu benchmark results. Close this and look how PUBG Mobile works on the device. Game load, medium graphic level we have, and game works good, without lags and glitches. Okay, close this, open camera. Now I show you photos on the main camera, let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.